And we're coming in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hello, beauties! Welcome back to another video. Must be Saturday. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. If you're here, would you please do me a big ol' favor? If you would hit the like button, that would just it's really kind of stupid how much that actually does affect me. So please go ahead. And if you want to subscribe and watch these videos, that would be just even cooler. Anyway. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. As you all know, we do here Beginner Boy Beauty, where we play with makeup products just for fun. Okay, so we're on a luxury freeze. You know, what can you do? We overspent. So we're not allowed to buy any more luxury products at the moment. So we're gonna shout out to our Merit signature lipstick that we like. This Merit Kava stick is really nice highlighter. And then there's a Merit contour stick that was going to be right here that we were going to feature, but it's not there. So, but that minimalist complexion stick that they have, oof, sickening. I do the Tiger's Eye shade. It's very deep brown for contour. Forgive the sweat today. It's very warm in this room today. But we are full up on all of our creams. We are creamed up because today we're going to feature a cheap-ass product from Revolution. That is a gorgeous package. You know, I'm kind of a sucker for package. What the fuck is this? I don't know. It's called Aura Powder. Huh? Aura Powder in Prism, I guess. I mean, from the vibe we're getting, I'm assuming we're going to be going holographic with this. I don't know. Long story short, as is the truth with most Revolution products, this is very difficult to open. Very difficult. Very difficult. I did it beforehand because I knew it would be difficult and I didn't want you to see that. So mine's actually open at the moment, but it's quite hard to get open. This is this is a pressed powder. It's got a fun little design on it. Yeah, that's not focusing that well, but oh well. So, what's that? I don't know. I don't really use pressed powder for anything. I'll just keep showing you endlessly. Anyway, let's just kind of put it on the arm and see what happens. Okay. It's a white powder. Really, it's a white powder, girl. Girl. It's are you doing coke in Dorit's bathroom? If you know, you know. Okay. Alright, well, I don't know what we're trying to do here, bud, but... Oh. Alright, we're just going to, wipe some of this on the top of our wrist area here. Okay, what's happened? I don't know. Are we holographic? I don't think so, dog. I don't think so, honey. I don't know what this is. I think it's just a legitimate, straight-up pressed white powder, which I don't really have any use for that I know of. But what we're going to do today is we're going to just put this all over my face because I don't have any powder on. And we're going to kind of use this as my setting powder. And we're just going to kind of see what happens, I guess, you know? So I got this really cool Morphe x Ariel brush, which is for creams and stuff, which we're gonna just use for this weird powder because why the fuck not? Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna dip some powder onto this. This is probably absolutely not the way to do this, so don't take this recommendation. But let's just see what happens. Okay, so we're just kind of putting some of that on the cheek. Okay. I don't know what's happening. It's extremely powdery. There's powder all over myself now. Okay, great. Put a little bit under there. Nose all bad. Okay. What are we doing here? I don't know. I think it might be giving me this gorgeous glow. I mean, I already had a gorgeous glow. We're gonna put some more on. I'll put it on the forehead because we are literally sweating on our forehead right now. So we are just gonna put a shitload of powder on there and just see what the fuck we can do. Okay. I think this brush is all wet now. Man, this is a very interesting decision. You know, I am not... This is a very heavy beginner video today because we don't know what we're doing. This brush is soaking wet, by the way. What have we done? I don't know. I think it might be Gorge. I think it might be like giving me this really nice glow. I thought this was going to be some kind of holographic like shimmer. This was clearly going to be shimmer, but it's not. It's like a white, it's just a pressed powder. I'm just going to do this again. Oh, I closed it. Oh no. Okay, we're just going to swatch this again, I guess, because like, I just don't understand. You put it on the skin and just nothing happens. Okay, girls, whatever. All right, that brush is soaking wet, so we're going to use another brush. Keep going. I got a shitload of this. Okay, just a shitload. All right. I'm just going to put it on as if it's my setting powder. Honestly, I'm loving this. It's really like giving myself a nice glow. All right, we're going to do that on the cheeks as well. Just a lot, man. We are just putting a shitload on here. All right. I don't know what's happening, but like this is sort of serving. And like, it doesn't look makeup-y. It's not caking. I mean, I gotta dive in. Give me 1 sec. I mean, it looks really nice. Girlies, I don't know what the fuck this is. This is some kind of pressed powder. It's the Aura powder from Revolution. It's part of some fun-looking collection. It's not holographically glittery at all. There's no shimmer to this. This is just like a really beautiful powder. What the fuck, dude? All right, we're gonna just now slather more liquid on our face with our setting spray. I mean, if you don't love the taste of Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, then like, you just ain't doing it right. You're just not doing it right, dog, because like, it tastes so good. Okay, now we're gonna do our elegance trick. Let's use one of our wet brushes that we already have. Okay, we're just gonna press in that setting spray. Girls, I don't know what happened today. I thought, again, this product was sort of a joke, but excuse me. There we go. There's a brush hair. Okay, we got our setting spray packed in there. So that's the look. We're done with the look for the day. Does our forehead look a little funky? All right, let's give a nice, okay, we're definitely sweaty. Sweaty. I'm not sure what's happened today. We've got a very nice glow. I think, I mean, other than all of the sweat that I have on my forehead right now, this Revolution powder is kind of nice. It's a lot nicer than I was expecting. I am going to play with this again and see what happens because it's cool. You know, I look extremely glowy now that I'm seeing this. Okay, yes, we've got an extra long glow. But that's exactly what this is kind of about. It says Aura powder, and I've got an aura. Look at me. Don't look at me. Am I an angel? Am I an angel? Oh, I'm an angel. Bye, girlies. Have a good day. Love you.